So
like 20 new hive, you know, at a different spot.
Right.
You don't put two colony in one place. You put them separate places.
Okay.
So that is what these boxes here for. Some is to do the exchange, and some is to make new
To
hive.
freshen up your old stuff.
Yes.
Some are going to be brand new. So
Yeah.
you're expanding.
Yes, expanding.
You're putting.
Put in fresh hive.
How
Making
many?
a fresh colony. Yeah.
Off the top of your head, do you know exactly how many boxes you have right now, or
I have
it's like so many you
I
don't
have
even-
at least 112 bucks.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But at times you have bucks that go die or the bees fly out. Some of the problem why we have wild bees would fly out because duck ants or red ants will disturb them and they go inside the box and start to fight them. So what really happen now, they just gather themselves and they just move out. Sometimes when you find out they're already gone. If you don't find out that the duck ants is underneath the box or into the box, then those duck ants or those red ants, mainly the red ants, would run them out of the box. Yeah.
So then you got to
that-
get
that's
that
the-
box out of there, and
Yes,
you know not to
sometime you
put
will
it
go.
there
Sometime
anymore.
you will go, and those box. When you go, you will see that they even left young brood, young larvae, and they're gone. So, in a sense, that what you take and know that it is the red ants, and also you will see the red ants take over the box. So that give you a full proof that it's the red ants from the box.
So you approach it, you get to a box.
And you see no bees in the box.
See no bees
when you
in the
check
box.
at when you check at the apron of the box. When you check at the apron of the box, you see no flying. So when you open it, you see young brood, that is young bees that they leave, and young larvae. So what happened? You would see the red ants all over it, so you know that it's the red ants that cause them to run out of it.
Yeah, and then you wouldn't put a box anywhere around. You wouldn't put a box anywhere around that box when you know.
No,
that
no,
there's
you
red
have to
ants,
clear the
so
area. You have to get rid of those red ants before you put another hive there. You have to
Oh, yeah? You
get
would
rid of the red ants before
And
you
you
can put
got a
another hive.
technique for that.
Yes, yeah, we
Put a
learn what to
number.
do.
All right, so I want to see your shop.
Okay.
So you were saying last time I was here that you use special wood, huh?
Yeah,
Why?
you should be going into the airplane ironing about it because I should have prepared. I should have a way.
Oh,
You can come. Right. Okay. This is one of my saw that I use. This saw can actually do all the work. That's to make the bees hive, to make the bees box, sorry, and also to make the bees frame. These are top bar
okay.
that go into the bees hive. Okay.
Pull it out, right?
Yeah. So here now we have a frame here. So this is what it is like.
Yep.
Okay. So this table saw will do a lot of work. I know I need some more saw, and this saw also do
Chopping.
chopping.
Yep.
Right.
For your boxes.
I need some more equipment to make it more easier to me instead of this saw will be doing so much work. You understand? So this is a frame that go into the beeswax.
Yep.
So then you put a piece of foundation. This is the foundation. Okay. See, we have a foundation
Oh,
here.
I get it. In the wire.
Yeah, and I have it in. So this is the foundation. So the foundation is going here.
Is that made out of something special, that foundation?
Okay. As you ask the question, I give you the answer. This foundation is made from the wax that come from the bees.
Oh.
Okay. So you warm up this wax into some boiling water, and that's where you process it, and then you put it into a mill, and the mill will print these hole on it. So this is a start for the bees. When you put this on it, it's a start. It's much easier for the bees. So the bees won't have to make this because it's already made. So he just start to add the hole to it.
So it speeds up your production.
Yes. So if you give him like this, then it will take him more time to put this in it.
Yeah, that's cool. So when you make that, how do you make it like a thin piece of paper? So you have like a piece of like a piece of wax melted, Do you like put it in a?
You put it into a dipping pan, a piece of board.
And then,
and
like,
when you
crunch.
put it into the dipping pan and you dip, you can dip one time, depends on how thick you want it to be, and you can also dip 2 times. So when you dip it, you put into one with the cool water, into a drum with the cool water,
to harden
or a
it.
container with the cool water.
To harden
so
it,
then
yeah.
when you do it like this, it keep cool and you just tear it off this side, tear it off. So you get 2 pieces at a time. If it's a piece of board, as an example, let's say it's a piece of board like this,
Yeah.
and you dip it.
Right.
You're gonna get piece here, you're gonna get piece here. I don't really have the dipping material here to show you what.
Okay.
But you can use this as an example. So when you dip it 2 times down into that wax, and you come up, if you want it thick, you can dip 2 times. So then you dip in the hot, into the cold, sorry for that,
Yeah.
into the cold water. And when you dip it into the cold water, then you tear off the wax in there and you make it stay in there and cool.
Oh.
So then now you're gonna get them like this, where
So
you're not gonna
you
get the
don't
hole on it. You
press
got-
it.
Yeah.
I get
then
it.
you run it through the machine, and the machine will give you these printing on it. Right.
Oh. So where do you do that work? Here, right here?
Well, I don't have a machine right
Oh,
now.
the dipping, but like.
But other person who have a machine, they would do that, and you pay them to do it.
Oh,
You
okay,
understand?
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But
you're like his
soon I'm
client.
gonna get a machine for myself and more equipment.
Yeah. 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 That's cool.
Yeah.
All right. So that's about it on the shop, right?
Yes, I'll stand to go by. I'm gonna think of expanding the
Let's,
shop also.